can't start work. I hear Dina's noise upstairs and I can't work with the noise. There was a big storm last night. It was spectacular. Dina didn't notice it. Gail came by this morning. She was, whoa, poor dogs. They were so scared last night. And then before that, there were fireworks. So we were looking out this window at the fireworks, me and the cats, going, whoa. It was, again, startling and unexpected. The night before, I don't know. But last night, Gail said the same thing. We were just like, that shouldn't be allowed. Labor Day fireworks. I don't think that's a thing, is it? Around here, fireworks are always a thing. Anyway, I've got my 2 Quark files up. Everything's set up Monday to Friday. Monday's taken care of, moving day. So I put that in. You always got to do the easy thing first. And then I wanted to go to Tuesday, and Dina dropped something upstairs. Why do the people upstairs always have to drop things? Do I ever drop anything? Arlo and Mimi, constantly dropping things. Dina, dropping things. Do I drop things? No. I don't understand. Okay, this is probably procrastination. Couldn't go for a walk. It's just, well, I could have gone, but it's just nasty out there. Windy. Probably won't rain, but I have to get to work today. Just go away, go away. First I thought yesterday that I would, she asked her, you want to come along to my daughter's place to see the baby? And I thought, oh, maybe. And then afterwards I thought, I have work to do. I've got to get to work. I've got to get started. So I said, no, I don't think so. I think I should get to work, being as I'm going to see Wednesday and Friday. So I drank my coffee. I must have my coffee with Gail. She said, aren't you cold? Because I'm, I said, no, I've got goosebumps, but I'm okay. And then by the time I was finished my coffee, I was okay. And coffee does calm me down. Not like other people. Unless I have too much. And I'm looking at my windows and they need to be cleaned. But I will have time to clean my windows. This is going to go on until next Tuesday. No. Later on today, I will get things under control. Right now, I will get things under control. I will start right now. Okay. Maybe I'll have... No, I don't want to keep that. I want to keep my snack until the afternoon. You can't have snacks before lunch. Snacks come after lunch. I feel like a snack because the coffee's surging through my veins. The windows are dirty. It's not a day for cleaning windows. I could distract myself by cleaning windows, but I don't feel like it. There would be no bugs to come in. I could do everything except work. Yesterday, I vacuumed. nothing short of washing the floor again. And then I went to see Joanna and her mom. It's not raining, but it sounds like it. That window is awfully dirty because there's grass right there and a driveway right there, and just splashes up. Now I got home last night and I had a shower, watched Umbrella Academy, and some hockey. I wish I could get involved in the hockey, but I can't. Okay. It's 10:15. Is that what it is? Is that all? Or is it 11? I can't tell. Too dark. That clock is not terribly forthcoming. The pendulum doesn't work anymore. Yeah. The batteries run low enough. Of course, it will keep running the clock, but the effort to run the pendulum is just a little past its ability. So that's why I want a real pendulum clock. I can't work. I'm going to have to see how this is going to go. When my husband was here, it was quiet. He would go running, he would do his own thing, and he wasn't upstairs. Dina's upstairs. Her sitting room is right above me. We're going to have to work this out. I should get control of myself and get to work.